Hello everyone. In this class, we're going to introduce the concept of variables. In real life, we can't always to type the values directly in IDE and rely on the system to output those values directly. We want to save those values into some sort of variables so we can reuse those variables again and again. So let's create a new Python file. Again, I just need to right click and click, then left click to create a new file. And let's call this variables exercise.py. And in this exercise, I'm gonna simply paste what I had in the course materials. And this is where the step one, I'm assigning the values to the variables. And this is, I have variables, revenue, expense, and tax rate. And step two, I can directly use the variables to do the calculation. So I create a new variable, pre-tax income, and that equals revenue minus expense. And then I can, again, do a further calculation, create a new variable called tax owed is pre-tax income multiplied by the tax rate. Then I will get to the net income, and then at the end of the day, I can just print those calculated amount for me. So with this, let's run the program. Again, just press the button on the top right corner of the IDE. So now you see this IDE is populating the results for me. So this is the simple variables exercise, and I hope you like it.